Look at this. Snow in Las Vegas, Nevada. Skylar, look at this.
I see.
Oh my God! Look at the bushes. Look at the bushes.
I don't know if I can reach that high.
That's why we have no
Reception.
Here, you want to film it? Here, come on over. Oh.
I can't. I don't have socks or shoes.
Okay. Today's date is what? Look at that. Daddy can't get it.
I need something a little taller.
Hold on.
It's September. December.
You got something taller?
December the 17th,
December the 17th,
2008.
2008.
35 more days before Obama gets in.
35 days before Obama gets in.
All right, now hit the light.
Hold on. I actually have some.
Hold on. Forget about TV, dude. It's not going to happen. Probably every satellite is out in the whole town, so just forget it. Here, film me and Skylar.
Okay.
All right, come on, Skylar.
Woo!
Jeez, I can't believe it's coming down like this.
No snowball fight. I don't have gloves.
No, I don't have any gloves either. Hold on.
Let's go up the hill.
Look at this. Al,
Huh?
come on, walk this way. I want to show you what they did. They cut the tree down.
Oh, I've seen it.
No,
Look, all these trees are falling. Look. They can't take the snow. Look at
that.
Look at that one. It buried that guy's whole backyard.
Oh my God, look at that. Zoom in on that.
I did. Here.
Here, no, get me and my niece. Come on, Skylar.
Look at that tree fell on that dude's house. Holy crap. That is that. Look at that. It fell on that guy's house.
See, welcome to Las Vegas, the first snowstorm since we moved here.
Ever.
Ever. Since we moved here. We never had snow, ever.
This is the blizzard of 08. Ain't it great?
We probably need a snowmobile.
Let's go make a sled.
A sled?
I'll make one. Here.
Look at
Grab your
this.
camera. Grab your camera. I got ways of doing stuff.
Alright, hold on. I don't want my, my camera's kind of getting wet a little bit. So Skylar, what do you think? Snow, huh?
There's no other.
It's still coming down too, man.
I know, it's not lightening up. It's kind of scary, actually.
Why?
Well, why would it start snowing?
Your shoes off.
It started snowing because it started raining and it was very cold.
Yeah, but we've never had snow before, ever. Not like this.